Tatalakayin ko po ngayon ang Sri Lanka. Ang Sri Lanka ay Samaya's history. Ang Sri Lanka official na Demokratiko Republikang Sosyalista Sri Lankan dating Ceylon bago ang 1972 ay isang tropical na punong bansa sa may timog silangang baybayin ng subkontinenteng Indiano. Prehistoric Sri Lanka. The prehistory of Sri Lanka goes back 125,000 years and possibly even as far back
Possibly.
Possibly even as far back as 500,000 years. In 1815, Kandy was occupied by the British in the Second Kandyan War, ending Sri Lanka's independence. 1948, the Silbury Constitution assured and dominion status with independence proclaimed. 1972, Ceylon becomes a republic and changed its name to Sri Lanka. Ito po ang itsura ng Sri Lanka flag. Ito po ang itsura ng Sri Lanka flag. At ito na nakakong makikita sa iba't ibang region ng Sri Lanka. Itakal po natin ang tungkol sa national anthem. Sri Lanka Mata or Mother Sri Lanka.
Uy,
Sri Lanka.
gisingin mo naman yung mga kaklase mo.
Sri Lanka Mata or Mother Sri Lanka. Mother Sri Lanka is the national anthem of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka Mata was composed by Ananda Samarapun and was originally titled Namu Namu Mata. President Ranil Wickremesinghe. Facts. Kapanganakan. Marso 24, 1949. Edad. 73 taon.
Taong gulang.
Colombo. Sri Lanka.
Kapag ka 73, hindi, 73.
Pinanganak siya sa Colombo, Sri Lanka. At pinanganak siya sa Colombo, Sri Lanka. Posisyon. President ng Sri Lanka mula noong 2022 termino ng pagkapangulo mula 15-2022 hanggang kasalukuyan. Mga nakaraang opisina. Ang acting president ng Sri Lanka 2022-2025 Royal College University of Ceylon. Official language. Ano dito tanin? Ano dito?
May dalawa pong opisyal na lengguwahe sa Sri Lanka.
May dalawa pong
Opisyal na lengguwahe sa Sri Lanka.
sa Sri Lanka.
Ano? Ayan, babasahin mo na.
May dalawa pong opisyal na lengguwahe sa Sri Lanka.
Ang Tamil at Sinhala.
Talaga tumawag. Ang Tamil at Sinhala. Tamil is classical Dravidian language natively spoken by Tamil people of the Indian subcontinent. Tamil is an official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The sovereign nation of Sri Lanka.
Nation.
The nation of Sri Lanka, Singapore, and the Indian Union. Territory of Puducherry. Sinhala. Sinhala is an Aryan language spoken by about 60 million Sinhalese people of Sri Lanka. It is also used as second language by another 2 million people belong to the other ethnic group in Sri Lanka. It is one of the official and national language among the Tamil.
Kuya, sa Sinhala ka, bro.
Hmm?
Tamil, Sinhala ang kasunod.
Ito.
Sinhala.
Kakatapos ko lang.
Okay.
Ano tawag ito?